Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, one more example I am going to discuss on run test. See here, in a study of blood flow in lung capillaries is in 16 patients with neuromuscular weakness. They reported the sex of the patient in the following order. That means there are 16 patients, gender, they have given in the sequence. Okay. So the blood study, okay, the blood flow of the 16 patients, okay, they have given in sequence. Okay, so females in the sense F, males in the sense M. Okay, test the null hypothesis that the sequence is in random. Okay, so what we have to test is we have to test whether the pattern is in they are following any certain pattern. That means first patient is male and the next is female and again male, again female. Is there any particular order they are asking us to test? Okay, so for that, first what we are going to do is we'll write the given sequence. Okay, so the given sequence is F, 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 M, that means male, female, again female, male, 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 female, 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 male, male. That means 16 patients data they have given. Okay, so now what we have to write is we have to write the sample size as they have given that 16 patients, or else if we count this sequence also we'll get 16 itself. Okay, so the sample size is sample size is denoted with small n. Okay, the sample size small n equals to 16. Okay, so and the next is number of females. Okay, so number of females is denoted with n1, that equals to, we'll count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so here the females are 10. Now number of males n2, that equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6. Okay, so now we'll see total number of runs. Okay, number of runs we'll see. Number of runs, it is denoted with R, that equals to, see here, this 3 belongs to one set of letters. Okay, so this is first run, this is second run, this is third run, and these 3 belongs to fourth run. Again these 5 belongs to same run. Why? Because same set of letters. Okay, and this is one more. So we'll count how many runs. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the total runs are 6. Okay, now we'll see number of runs of females. Okay, so number of runs of females in the sense F. So it is denoted with R1, that equals to females runs 1 2 3. Okay, 3. Now number of runs of males, it is denoted with R2. We'll see 1 2 3. Only 3 runs. We'll see one more. 1 2 3 3. Okay, so therefore R equals to R1 plus R2, isn't it? Yes. Why? Because 6 equals to 3 plus 3, no? So 6 equals to 3 plus 3. So it is true. Okay, so now what we have to do is, now we have to find out the critical values, lower critical value and upper critical value at 5%. That means 0.05 level of significance. They didn't ask us to test at this level of significance. They did not mention. So if they don't mention, we have to test at 0.05% itself. Okay, 0.05 level of significance only we have to test. Okay, for alpha equals to 0.05, n1 equals to 10, n2 equals to 6, the lower critical value equals to, next, for r equals to 0.05, n1 equals to 10, n2 equals to 6, the upper critical value, okay? So, the upper critical value. So, we'll see. I'll show you in the... So, see here, n1 is 10. Now, we are going to see lower critical values. I think you can. Lower critical values, we are going to see. So, n1 value is, see here, 10, n2 is 6. So, n1 in the sense, this format. So, n1 is 10 here, okay? And n2 is 6, that means here. Okay, so its value is 4, okay? 4. Next, upper critical value, we are going to see upper critical value. So, n1 is 10, n2 is 6, okay? That means 13. Okay, so 4 and 13. So that means we have to see whether this R value lies between 4 and 13. Yes, R value 6 lies between 4 and 13. So, therefore, R equals to 6 lies between 4 and 13. So, therefore, the given sequence is random. Therefore, the given sequence is random. Okay, like that we have to write. Okay, so I think everybody understood this problem. Okay, if anyone are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and also don't forget to like this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.